So this wire here goes around the backside and comes down, and so that's how it's wrapped around. So this wire goes around the back, comes down, goes around, and keeps on wrapping around, and the last one comes down here like this. And so that's why there's an arrow here. And so now I'm going to stick the north end into it, and now I'm going to pull it out, stick it in, pull it out, and let me do this end like it's in the picture. So north end over here, pull it out, in, out, in, out, and let's bring the south end in, out, in, out. So the deflection there is kind of small, so I want to show another one that has the exact same setup as this. So this has more loops, but hopefully you can see there's a wire there. It's going down the front side and it's going all the way around, and then this wire here is coming up the back here, and it would have came down. Okay, so it's the same setup as before, it's just there's more loops. Let's have the north going in. If I can get it here. North in and out. In and out. And here's the south end. South end. It's hard to get this to slide. There we go. And then I want to show one more coil here. Now this one, the wire is wound differently. Instead of the wire coming down the front side, it actually goes down the back. And so it's wound just the opposite direction than the last one. The last two, I should say. So let's start with the north pole going in, coming out, going in, coming out, and now the south pole. So this one's wound differently, it's just the opposite winding. So the reason why I'm showing this is because it's really important that we have the winding shown correctly. Okay, it's either going to be coming down the front like the last two, or it's going to be like this one where it's going down the back side of it. So it's kind of important that we have that winding shown correctly on this lab here. It's important that you show the winding on the coil. It's also important you draw in the direction of the needle, which way it deflected. Same thing here, make sure you draw in the direction of the needle, which way it deflected.